Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Today we will discuss linear search. So linear search is a sequential search which uses a loop to step through an array starting with the first element. So it is a linear search. We will start from index 0 and search one by one each element. It compares each element with a value being searched for and stop when either the value is found or end of the array is encountered. हम यहाँ पर सर्च को फिनिश सब करते हैं जब हमें सर्च एलिमेंट फाउंड हो जाता है, अदरवाइज एरे टर्मिनेट हो जाता है और आपका एलिमेंट फाउंड नहीं होता. If the value is being searched is not in the array, the algorithm will unsuccessfully search to the end of the array. So if value is not found in the array, so search will unsuccessful. Since the array element are stored in linear order, searching the element in the linear order to make it easy and efficient, बिकॉज लिनियरली सर्च कर रहे हैं इसलिए आपका इजी और इफिशियंट है कि वन बाय वन एलिमेंट्स को हम सर्च कर रहे हैं एरे पर. द सर्च मे बी सक्सेसफुल और अनसक्सेसफुल, दैट इज इफ रिक्वायर्ड एलिमेंट इज फाउंड देन द सर्च सक्सेसफुल, otherwise it is unsuccessful. Some advantages of linear search. Linear search is a simple, it is very easy to understand and implement because it is a simple sequential search. It does not require the data in the array to be sorted in any particular order because linear search में आपको sorted order की need नहीं होती. If we are using binary search, when we will need the sorted order numbers, either ascending order or descending order. So यहाँ पर कोई भी आपको sorted order required नहीं है in linear search. Let's see some disadvantages. It has a very poor efficiency because it takes a lot of comparison to find a particular record in big file. Because यहाँ पर हम each and every item से हम searched element को कंपेयर करते हैं, सो दैट ये आपका efficiency is very poor. The performance of algorithm scales linearly with the size of input. So यहाँ पर परफॉर्मेंस भी linearly मैटर करती है जितना n नंबर ऑफ एलिमेंट्स आपके सर्च एरे पे होंगे. Linear search is slower than other searching algorithm. Linear search आपकी एक sequential search है इसलिए more time लेगी as compared to binary search. The example, we have a array element having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So we have a 9 elements, index start from 0 to 8. So we will minus 86. So we will compare index of 0 element which is minus 23. So we will compare this is equal, not, again we will compare 97, this is equal to minus 86, no, again we will compare 18, this is not equivalent, again this is 21, this is not equal, again element this is 5, it is not equal, again this is minus 86. So searching for minus 86 is found. So linear search is successfully found the element. So this is the process of understanding the linear search. And running time complexity of linear search is order of n. I hope you guys understand the concept of linear search.